In this video, I'm going to show you how to find the hybridization of any molecule or polyatomic ion much more quickly than having to draw out all of those orbital diagrams and promoting electrons. So what you're going to do is, first of all, you're always focusing in on the hybridization of a central atom. So when we talk about hybridization, we're talking about a central atom. What you're going to do is you're going to count around that central atom how many sigma bonds are there and how many lone pairs are there. Now your possible hybridizations are sp, sp2, sp3, sp3d, and sp3d2. You notice with sp there's a total of 2 letters. If you look at your structure and you find a total of 2 sigma bonds and lone pairs, it's sp. If you notice sp2 has 3 letters, an s and 2 p's. When you count up your sigma bonds and lone pairs, if it equals 3, your hybridization is sp2. sp3 has 4 letters, 3 p's and an s. If you count up your sigma bonds and lone pairs in your compound and it comes up to 4, it's sp3, and so on and so forth with 5 and 6. So let's try that with some molecules and see how that works. So if we look at SO2, remember we're talking about the hybridization of this central atom. So a single bond is a sigma bond. A double bond has 1 sigma and 1 pi. And we've got a lone pair. So I have 2 sigmas and a lone pair for a total of 3. So this is going to be sp2 hybridization. For HCN, again I'm looking at the carbon. Here's a sigma bond, and a triple bond has 1 sigma bond. So I have a total of 2 sigma bonds and lone pairs. So 2 means my hybridization is sp. The carbon has an sp hybridization. This sulfur, there's a sigma bond, there's a sigma bond, and remember a double has 1 sigma bond. So I have a total of 3, so it is sp2. If I look at this compound, I look at my S, it's got a total of 1, 2, 3, 4, and a lone pair is 5. So 4 plus 1 is 5. So sp3d hybridization. Similarly, if I look at this I, I've got a sigma, so 2 sigmas, and I've got 1, 2, 3 lone pairs. There's a total of 5. So this also is sp3d hybridization. Last couple. I've got nitrogen, I've got a sigma, and a lone pair. That's a total of 4 things. This is sp3. Krypton, I've got a sigma, So I've got 4 sigma bonds, and I've got 2 lone pairs. That's a total of 6. So this is sp3d2, and that is all there is to finding the hybridization of a central atom.